Conditioned Pacers lined up for tonight's 7th race. Field of 9 on the gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Good Time and Cam charges out from the outside, but he's a bit rough gated there. Sheehan trying to keep him together, but now Good Time and Cam is off stride. Good Time and Cam has made a break. Mom's Pacific Flight left well from the center of the track, and Mom's Pacific Flight looks for the early lead from G.D. Roseanne and Gary Neefus. Away in second, it's two back to Doc's Coco, third around the opening turn. Dropping the curtain away in fourth in front of Who's West West, who came away in fifth. Good Time and Cam up on the outside has recovered from sixth, past the opening quarter in 29 seconds flat. It's two more back to Half Dozen Roses from seventh. Show Me Some Skin is the trailer, and Alluring Art is now up on the outside as they race towards the half, and Mom's Pacific Flight is stretched out to a 7-length lead. Mom's Pacific Flight all alone on the front here. G.D. Roseanne is going to have to pick it up from second. Doc's Coco is caught behind the staller from third, dropping the curtain up on the outside fourth. Who's West West tracks in fifth. Alluring Art is third over sixth. Past the half in 57-3, and Mom's Pacific Flight has taken flight here as they move on to the far turn, but she begins to shorten stride just a bit. Dropping the curtain, has moved into second from along the inside. Who's West West continues on from the outside third. Alluring Art tracks cover fourth. Good Time and Cam is fifth. Show Me Some Skin now moves up on the outside sixth around G.D. Roseanne. They're midway around the far turn. Mom's Pacific Flight, the lead is diminishing with Who's West West now only a neck back on the outside second. Alluring Art is third. Show Me Some Skin widest of all past three quarters in 1:28 even. Mom's Pacific Flight is under a drive. Who's West West down the center of the track is Dixonek in front. Alluring Art to the outside, dropping the curtain, looks for racing room. Good Time and Cam up the inside late. Mom's Pacific Flight, Who's West West, dropping the curtain. Mom's Pacific Flight, Who's West West, Who's West West gets up to win it from Mom's Pacific Flight, dropping the curtain third. Good Time and Cam fourth in 1:57-3. Mom's